You little chicken, Bailey. That puppy's half your size. What's wrong with you, Bailey?
Hey, come on, pup. Look, now. Don't eat my feet. You pup. Like the mouse. Like the mouse. Not my feet. Not my feet. The puppy's a girl.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a cute one too.
She is. Bailey, what do you think of that little girl? Is that your little girlfriend? She likes your mouse. No, she wants to stay here by Bailey. Don't you, puppy?
Where's the pup? She can't bite my feet. She doesn't know how to climb up here. Oh, cute little puppy. Cute little puppy. Bailey. Bailey. Cute little puppy likes to play with kitties.
Throw the mouse towards Bailey.